I ain't gonna lie to you guys, we might.
Again, I might still be in love in my head.
Hold on. What's the game plan on Sajuro, bro?
We're just gonna T-bone Sajuro.
We're gonna T-bone Sajuro?
We're gonna bone him.
You been talking too much, you been talking money, yeah. Heard you been calling me heartless, I'm just keeping it close, keep it guarded. I ain't mean to hurt you, honest. Tell me where to send these flowers, but
What happened?
Bro, I swear to God, she was eyeing me, bro. She was explaining the menu, right? We were asking like how to order. And bro, she was looking at me and just me.
Okay, let's get the rolls. Skip the rolls?
I think she
want me, she want me.
I think she does, dog. I think she does.
honestly, I think that me, Marlon, and Duke Dennis needs to be nerfed.
Ref, do something. Ref, do something.
Ref, do something about us.
Ref, do something.
That's all I gotta say. Absolute
That's all
cinema.
good. That's all good. Absolute cinema, man. What are you getting, though?
So we're getting some sushi.
Yeah?
And if you look over here, this is the order list. We're getting some sushi.
Chicken or beef?
And then if you look here, there's some sushi. And then there's some sushi.
We're about to feast, yo. We're about to feast.
Sushi here, sushi there. So we do have a special kid here. His name is Dummy Bull. You want to say something, Dummy Bull? And as you heard, he's really trying to communicate with us, but it's really hard to understand him. So we're really trying. Exactly, yeah. So what do you have to say about that, Jethro? What is your commentary for today?
Nothing much, you know, like I'll be in and out every now and then. I don't know.
Don't you have work in the morning, dog?
I do, but you know, this never really happened, so it's alright. It's alright. That's alright. Okay, we go karting
I got a question for you, Jethro. So we go karting at 11, and we might stay for a car meet there. You work at 3. Actually, no, you work at 4 a.m., but you wake up at 3 a.m. So what are you gonna do?
Oh, he just killed.
I'm going straight to fucking work.
What that mean, Kanye? Yo,
This guy fucking ordered everything here.
Oh my god! What?
Holy shit!
So what are we getting, bro?
Huh?
What are you saying?
Yeah, call her up, I'm home alone. Could use some company. I just wanna keep you near. I just wanna keep you near me. I just wanna keep you near me. I just wanna keep you near. I just wanna keep you near. Yeah, I'm on the road.
First round check. How we feeling?
Really good so far. Every single food that they've given us, we've finished. So we only had the miso soup or the wonton soup first, and then they gave us the lobster roll and the what was the other one called? The yellow thing, yellow tamago. So we got those first, and the beef as well. So we're doing good so far.
Doing good.
So round 2, we're ready for it.
Round 2.
What are you doing, bro? Are we pushed that?
Nah, we got it.
Round 2, how are we feeling? Round 2.
Yeah.
We're done. Alright. Yo, how we feeling? We just finished up?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now?
How old are you?
How old are you now?
Absolutely. That's I would really talk to
The roof is missing, but too hard. Fucked it up. God, I'm lonely, I'm tripping. I shouldn't have done it. It felt me up. It felt like this in a minute when I gave you my time.
You should play rather live.
Your post working out. Yo.
Bitch, I'll fly you out. Okay. I got hella bands with me.
What place you think you're gonna get?
I'm feeling P1.
P1? How about you, man?
I'll call P3.
Yo, what place you think you're gonna get, bro?
Last place.
What place you think you're gonna get, bro? How about you? Go on the podium. Go. Alright. Yeah. Chris, you're insane.
Oh my god.
You're insane, bro. You're insane. What place did you get, bro?
I got P3 now. I got
P3? Wait, what place did you get, bro? What place did you get?
I got last.
Last? That's all good.
Spinning on fist, cause a ticket, I was a boss. Yeah, she know I'm the shit. I'm gonna take it down south. Roll it up, I'm in the clouds.
I mean, I can set it up like all the way here, and then we can stand like right here.
Hear me out. Inside on the balcony.
Balcony.
Fun fact, he stole it.
He's so trolled today.
Target.
So what's happening?
Oh yeah, first happy birthday, that poor guy.
Thumbs up.
Rev it, right?
Cardi yellings bring me knowledge, I could pick the liars up. Nina full of hollow tips, ready to send all them out. Money bags come in pounds, I don't need no one to save me. All these bitches bring the problems, I'm so lazy. Shut the fuck up, pick a Birkin bag, what's your favorite? Pass the rock to Brody, he shoot like he played for Lakers. Said I love you, but I don't, bitch.